Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the YouTube comment poster works. So, if you purchase the software, you will get it, and we have 145 modules. I'm going to keep adding more. And where you will have to go here on the scraping, and then you have to go to YouTube modules, YouTube video commenter. Okay, so basically, first, like this could be done in different order, but this is most likely like what you will have to do. If you want to comment on somebody's video, you have to type the comment and then order it by depending the number of the type of order you want. In this case, I'm going to keep relevance, and I'm going to click on I'm going to click Facebook poster just for now. Then I click on search, and it's going to be looking for videos related to Facebook poster. Usually it's going to get me 36 videos, and then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go and check the ones that have the most views, because this is going to bring me the most traffic. Usually it's already by default like that. If it's not, you just change that and then arrange it accordingly. So here, some of these, I'm just going to remove them. I mean, they will bring me traffic, and if I have time, I will comment on them. But right now, because I'm showing you how this works, I just don't need it right now. And here I have all these people that I'm going to be commenting on their videos. So, well, now that you have the people that you're going to comment, then you have to add your accounts. So you put new YouTube account, and then your email, and then gmail.com, then your password. And then if you want to use proxies, you type in the proxy that you want. And then you save it there. Okay, this basically, whenever you click on this is going to move over there. This way you could have a list of different accounts that you can log into, and then be able to log in on those. In this case, this was just to show you how that will work. You can select this and then modify the account and then save it. And you can delete the account from there as well. Now here you can add comments as well. Uh, this video it's really nice, and then I like this video, or whatever comment you want to make. In this case, this is just a sample. I really like this video. Uh, then you could put really cool info. Or you could just put like messages to point back to your website, to point back to wherever you want to point them to, or just put a comment. Usually try avoiding, like whenever you put an email, if you want them to send them an email, try to put them at gmail.com, so they are able to change that by the email, and then the YouTube comment bot doesn't detect you as you're spamming. Same thing from the websites. If they really want to go there, they will just replace that. You could tell them replace the dot in the end. So now that I have the videos where I'm going to comment on, now that I have the accounts that I'm going to be using, and now that I have the YouTube comments, this saves on the database, by the way, the account and the comments, so you don't have to be creating them all the time. In case you don't want them, you just click on delete all comments, and then you could start creating new ads for that. Okay, now that I have all the people that I'm going to comment to, I'm going to click on Open Firefox. This is going to open a Firefox window for me, where I'm going to be able to log in and start posting on my on those videos. Now, before I start logging in, I'm going to click this button called Remove Marionette. What this does is basically, if you see, you have an orange window here on top that says that you are using Marionette, or like an automated system. This remove that for you, and then when you go to Google, you will be able to log in without problems. Once you see that it changes to false, that means that it's finished. Now here, I'm going to put my username and password. in this case, this is like the username and password for the account. Obviously, you could save them and select them, but I'm just going to put it here since this is just the demo to show you how it works. Okay, now that I have my password put in, what I'm going to do is I just click on login. Now, because I did that, I'm going to be able to log in. If I didn't remove the marionette, then Google wouldn't let me log in because it will say that I'm using an automated system. So it's going to log in for me. It's going to send my email. Then it's going to send my password. And then it's going to click next. And I'm going to log into YouTube. So here I just basically put that I don't want to save it. And I just go to YouTube. Here, YouTube. Well, actually it does log you to YouTube automatically. So it's going to log you first to Gmail and then it's going to change to YouTube. Okay, so now that I have that, I come back here. Let's say I want to select this one that has the least comments, and I'm going to just do this so you can see. Here, on this window, you have different options: clear the table, delete one item, remove duplicated in case you did search 2 times. You can go visit the selected video, copy the link, copy the title, the ID, and these ones are the ones that are important for us. So in this case, we have this send comment to selected video. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to send a comment. So click on this and then open Firefox right away. So click inside Firefox and this is going to go scroll down for you and then send a comment for you automatically. Okay, now we're going to send a message to this person. We select the person we want to send the message to, and then we click on send selected comment. Your window has to be a little bit big, so the videos suggested are on the right side, and it can actually comment on the video. Otherwise, it won't be able to comment. So it went to the page, then it's going to scroll down. It's going to click on add a public comment. It's going to click on that. And then it's going to paste your content of your text that you selected. And then it's going to click on comment for you automatically. So as you can see, this video is really nice. So that way, whenever people see your comment, they will be able to read it. And this video has a lot of views. So if you put like a few comments on some videos that get a lot of views, the people that is going to go to comment on the videos will see your link, and most likely if what you put is something interested, they will go and check out your stuff. And basically you could point them anywhere that you want to. So you could tell them, oh, go to my channel, go to this website, and different things depending on what you want them to do. So as you can see, the comment was posted and the comment is here. Obviously, try to do some spin tags and try to do some variations of your ads, of your comments, so they don't get detected as spam. And in case you wanted to comment to all the videos, like that's the easiest way to do this. It will be comment to all the videos, and it's going to go to the first one, to the second one, and to the third, and so on until it's finished posting in all of them. So now I'm going to do that. I'm going to post one more, and then I'm going to stop it. So click on comment all the videos. Go to your YouTube window on the web browser. Click inside there so you have the focus, and then you'll see how it's going to do the posting on 2 of those videos, as you saw it on the first one. So it went down. It's going to scroll down. Then it's going to click on add. It's going to add a public comment.
75 du rocher.
Ok, ton chemin.
And then it's going to click on comment. Okay. Those were ads from Facebook, but basically here will be the comment. I just stopped the audio so you don't hear the ads anymore. And now it's going to go to the second ad, to the second video. And it's going to scroll down. It's going to post the video for you as well, to post your comment or of whatever thing you chose. So you can see this is doing it automatically, so I don't have to do anything about it, anything. And here is my video. Obviously, it's going to keep doing that. So in case you want to stop it, you click on stop, and that is going to stop it, so you don't post to all these anymore. If you, in case you want to stop it and continue after at some time and so at some point. And basically, this tool can generate you a lot of traffic. So you will be commenting on the most popular videos related to your topic, and it could be any kind of comment that you have. And then what you could do as well is close Firefox, so it removes the cookies, and then open a new Firefox, remove Marionette, log in with the account that you want, that you chose, log in, and then post to different videos with a different accounts. And in case you wanted to use proxies, so Google doesn't block you for spamming with multiple accounts, you put the proxy here, and instead of opening Firefox, you click on Firefox proxy. This is going to be opening Firefox for you using the proxy, so you're able to comment even more than what you were able to comment before. And yeah, so that's how it works, guys. So if you want to get this, you could do so in autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.